Hey everyone, welcome back. Last time I left off, we had successfully finally pulled all the data from NBA stats. Right now, it's still saying there's 4 remaining players to fetch, and it'll stay open. It won't close on me now, but like there's if you look over here, there was a simulated trade and simply did LeBron James, LA Lakers, Giannis Antetokounmpo, all available players. Trade rejected. Performance gap too high. So it's kind of working. So the next thing I wanted to do was start working on a little UI. I should say. I need to find where I was in here. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find where I was. Alright, yeah. Right here. Now there's cache player stats. Can we start making UI display stats? That's what I asked it. So then it wants me to start using Streamlit. So Streamlit uses Python and it runs locally. So I asked yes to Streamlit. Okay. So then now it's going to do that. So it's going to ask me to do these things right here. So first I have to save this code right here. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to copy. So I'll go Notepad. Right, I'm going to paste this. Right? I'll do File, Save As, all files. So it wants me to save this as this player stats dashboard.py. So I'm gonna copy paste that there. Right. Okay. Save. So that's saved now. I'll put this away for now. So yeah, it asked me to do install Streamlit. So I'm gonna ask it pip install. Nope, whoops. It's very case sensitive. It's not gonna correct your grammatical errors. It's gotta be correct. Yep, so now it's gonna download all that for me. Alright, so I'm getting this warning message right here. So it doesn't really like that. But I'm gonna see if I can make it work anyway. Copy this. Ooh. It's not recognizing that. Alright, I'm gonna try to fix this. I'll be right back, everyone. Sorry about that. I am back. So yeah, now I am at a point. I fixed what I did. So now it had me save this as just so it'll run it when I click it. So now I click this, opens this, and then it also opens this in my browser. So now it's giving me this player stat dashboard. But the thing is, all the teams are now placed into just these categories, so it's very hard to see it. You know, it gives me a big, but now it has all these players in there. Just crazy. Like all this just with ChatGPT. And it just, and I did this with no coding experience whatsoever. I've had very simple HTML coding experience, that's about it. But that's what's crazy about what this can do. Now that we have this though, we can organize it better. You know, so now if I go back to here, it gives me the dashboard. So now I'm gonna update the code a bit that has me that this is done now. So I'm gonna have it. Let's see if we can do that. I asked it to do a spinning basketball as a loading screen. I'm gonna see how this works. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna save that batch. So now I'm gonna open this now. Ooh, it's not really wanting to load. But it's giving me everything I need. I'm gonna also update this code right here. I closed my notepad. Open notepad back up. Okay, now update this code. So I copy pasted this code right here. Yeah, let's see what it does. Cool. For whatever reason, it's opening 2, which is weird. But teams are still all organized by numbers. There we go. Now it's fixing all those numbers. I'm gonna ask it. Ugh, my spelling is horrible. I'm very sorry. So this code is this. So this is player stats. This is the API code that pulls the data. This code is the basics of the site itself. I'm just going ham. I want to see how much I can do before it crashes. But it's able to find. So I'm going to copy this. Put it into here. File. Save. I'm going to close that Streamlit. Close that. Okay, so it's missing their actual picture, which is unfortunate. But it now has, wow, logos. It is missing some logos, but it's starting to get it. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. It's just this season, but alright, I think I'm going to leave that here. Hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, it's coming together really nicely, which is awesome. But I'm going to leave that here. This is Wicked Sport Data. And enjoy your time.